How's it going, everybody? Aaron with Siegfried's Motorworks. Here today, we are going to be giving you just a quick little before and after exhaust comparison. Right here, we have a 2018 Kawasaki Versys 300. I think this might be an ABS model. I said the
it says ABS.
It is an ABS model. Thank you, Kyle. This one does have the stock exhaust on it. We're going to be switching that out for a Two Brothers Racing aluminum series exhaust. This is just a slip-on series exhaust, but at any rate should liven this thing up a little bit. We're going to do here just a little quick startup of it, completely stock. Maybe not. At any rate, next time you see me, next time you see this bike, it'll be a little bit louder, hopefully, so. Cool. Alright, and then you can just. Alright, so we've wrapped up the installation of this Two Brothers slip-on series aluminum exhaust for the 2018 Kawasaki Versys 300. As you can see, Two Brothers was nice enough to make a way for you to include the stock heat shield on this. Had this been a black muffler, I probably would have opted not to install the heat shield, but with the aluminum, it kind of ties everything together. It gives a nice fit and finished look. It doesn't look so half-assed. Installation's pretty simple. Took us right around 30 minutes to do it, following the instructions. But here is the first startup for this one.